Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on Kraken application. To update your Kraken's password, first of all, open up the Kraken app on your mobile device and log into your account. After you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from the Accounts tab, click on Security. Click on Password under Security and then enter your current password for your Kraken account in the first tab. On the next field, type down the new password you want to change to. Retype the new password in the last field and finally click on Change Password at the bottom to update your password change. You'll then be able to see a confirmation message once the password change is successful, and that is it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.